Hey guys, the Blues Travelers here, and we're gonna make a quick and easy, refreshing drink for the summer. It's our beet juice that we love. Can you tell us what's in the beet juice?
Ginger, apples, and lime, and beets.
Today we're doing a can and a half of beets. You can use fresh beets if you want. You just have to boil them and get them soft. And then we're using 2 medium-sized apples, a little ginger, and a little lime, and you blend it up.
There's the thing, right? That C is claw.
Yeah, good job. All right, so if you don't have a juicer, you're gonna have to take off the pulp, unless you like pulp. We do not. I think it's more refreshing without it in. So you're gonna need a cheesecloth. And basically you just put this whole thing that's in the blender and you squish out all the juice and put it in a bowl, and that's it. How is it?
Good.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you make beet juice. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Who are we?
The Blue Travelers.
Cheers!